climb. Have a safe climb. Have a safe climb. Have a safe climb. Have a fun climb. And myself. Now, we're heading to where we have to start. And we're gonna meet up our guide and another porter. Leading the pack is Miss Jessie, seconded by Eddie. I'm the third, and Mr. Marlon of the English, and Mr. Felipe.
Yeah.
Pondok Timpohon, UNESCO Global Heritage Sites Global Geopark. Pondok Timpohon. Yeah.
English, so I forget speaking English. So you have a problem also, you can tell me. Okay. So I follow the behind. Okay. So before the start the climb, you got to register. Yeah, it's head. Okay. Good luck for you and for me. Yeah.
Okay. Good luck to all of us.
Play tayo.
Ma-register. Good morning, sir. Afternoon. So this is the checkpoint one. Target natin is 3 o'clock. May iwi tayo na.
Oo. Taasan natin yung target para basta yung expectations na.
At least hindi siya maputik. Alright, andito na yung waterfalls. Hey!
Saan dito na ito?
Hey! The first bridge.
Okay, Central Parks Bridge. Parang Pilipinas sa Hunger Games tayo. Say hi guys! Pababa tayo na pababa. Summit Trail.
Going to the summit. Rainforest kasi. Rainforest. We're going to... Naririnig niyo parang may pusa. May pa waterfalls somewhere. Yeah! The Carson Falls.
Carson Falls. Silang sa
Bye-bye! See you tomorrow. Waterfall. Bukas. Boss Marlon. Go, aming lead.
Kailan dito sa port?
First shelter. Naka 1 km na kami. So 5 kilometers.
first show time. Ang dami rin ginagawa. 1 km.
Naka 1 km.
1 hour for everyone.
Ano ba yan? Ganito
Kumakain ng
sumubo.
saging.
Ano mo ba lang saging?
This is how to teach. This is how you do it. First, you peel it like this.
Welcome. Pasok. Pasok. Ganda ng mosi, oh. Ayan, si Peng. Si Jessie. Sumasakses, step by the step.
Ang tarik ko.
Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng ano, ng mosa, ano.
Dito sa kanan, kaliwa.
Yes. Steep na po, going to 5-kilometer stop. We're probably at 4.2 kilometers now. Laban Rata is at 6 kilometers, so we have roughly 2 hours, 2 kilometers, less than 2 kilometers to go. What we see here are bonsai trees. And Mr. Dulanas. Sige, binibidyo kita. Pakita ang gilas. Mayari, hindi pa napapagod. Binibidyohan kita. This hanging picture plants there. Picture plant. And ayan na po, doon po kami bukas pupunta. Ayan na ang summit doon, oh, napakatarik. Holy cow. Kasi marami siyang peaks. May Victoria, may ano, North Peak, ganyan, may Lows Peak. Hala, grabe. Pero yung Marlon, doon tayo bukas. Ang tarik pa. Holy cow. That's it, baby. Galing. Welcome! May waterfalls doon, oh. Bakit kami 1 kilometer more to Laban Rata. Let's go. Hi, so pretty. Oh, look at those flowers. I think we have a good sunset. Oh my God, Marlon, andun, oh. Wow. Wow. Ayun, doon tayo. Ganda, oh my God. 1 more kilometer. Ang ganda! My God! Oh my God! Such a paradise! Wow! What a glorious sight! Tingnan mo, Marlon! Oh my God! Nakakaano siya! Nakakaiyak! Ang ganda, no? Grabe yung mga crying mountains siya, oh. May mga falls. Oh my God! Wow! So beautiful! Kasi parang mga tulutulong mga ng falls. Wow! Ang ganda! Tingnan mo tong mga bonsai trees! Wow! This is insane! Oh, wow! Ang ganda ng ano niya, yung kulay ng ano niya. Ganda, my God. Wait lang. Nakakaiyak. Eh, di bilisan mo habang may clearing. Pa-picture tayo. Oh, burst.
Ako rin.
Si Eddie, bigay mo kay Eddie.
Kanina ko po dito kanina.
Diyan. Dito.
Grabe, nakakaiyak. Nakakaiyak sa ganda.
Yan yun. Para yung background.
Nakakaiyak sa ganda. Mount Kinabalu. Ang ganda ng clearing, gosh. Grabe. Parang silang mga giants dyan na nakaano lang.
Sige.
Ay, nagpagi. Ay, bilis.
Yung paano, yung pahalang.
Ayun na nga.
Ang ganda ng paano ligat sa atin, no? Yung pa-welcome.
Ano yan kung motivate?
Guys, ay may dito pa na laban rata around 6:20 in the evening with this magnificent view of the sunset. Summit that mountain of our